Hello, Android phone 6972. What I want you to do is I want you to add the color in the Design tab, not in the text editor. So click on Enable Visual Builder, and then go to your module that you want to change the color on, and you click on the cog. And then right now what you've done is you've highlighted the text, and you've changed the color in the text box, okay? Divi has all of the design is separate from the text box. So what I want you to do, you can leave it unhighlighted, click the Design tab, go to Text, change your color here. So see how that changed the color to white, and then if you go back to the text box, see, look, it's still there. So that's where you need to change your text color, not in the text box. All right. If you have any other questions, please reply, and I apologize for the late response. Hope you have a great day.